New spot just dropped. Blue Heron Reserve. Let's go. Turn the car off. Okay. Hey everyone, my name is Justin Spencer, and we are doing a little point of view photography. I have my Sony A7III coupled with the 70-200, and we're gonna see what we can get. This is something I have never done before, like completely new too. So I have no idea how this is gonna go. Let's adjust the settings first so I don't look like an absolute goon. So we are at the Great Blue Heron Nature Reserve, and I'm just gonna explore it. I only kind of have about 30 minutes to do so, but since when has that ever stopped me? Let's see here. I hope it works. If not, this could be a total bust. But the good thing is, we're having fun along the way. See a couple ducks out here. So right now, in my settings, I have kind of a medium shutter speed. I have 1/400. I have a low f-stop at 2.8, and ISO is about 400, at least at the moment. I see a lot of chickadees up in these trees. They flew away, and that's life. Sometimes we all fly away. Okay, so I'm gonna go off the beaten path a little bit. I think I'm gonna have to be quiet. They're kind of moving. Let's get a little bit closer. I can. So one thing that's really good about this lens is that you can set the distance on the side, which really helps with the autofocus. So even though I have all these bushes in front of me here, if I click this button, it allows me to focus a little bit further on some of the things that I'm trying to actually get in focus. But also, it makes for a pretty interesting foreground. Gonna head back out of here. This place is actually pretty sweet, if I do say so myself. There's little birds flying all over the place. Maybe I have to just kind of post up. I'm gonna bring up my f-stop here, get a little bit more in focus. Yeah, we'll see how it turns out. Here's a nice little birdhouse. Just keep going. Keep in mind I only have about 30 minutes total here, but that's okay. Ooh. So there's a couple water droplets on some of these trees here. I haven't experimented too much with macro. However, put it into manual focus here. I'm gonna drop the aperture a little bit so I can increase the shutter speed to compensate for my shaky hands. I'm fully zoomed in. Pretty cool. Hello. Yo. What the heck is this? Let me try another macro shot or two. Now we're going to try to get this water droplet. little bit overexposed in the middle there. There's a couple buds in here. The spring's just around the corner. I'm gonna see if I can get a little shot of that. I don't know, we'll hope some of those turn out. Oh, now we got a blind. This is cool. I've never seen one of these. Okay, so there are a bunch of ducks over there. I know I'm gonna make this work. Actually, maybe right here. Okay, let's see what we can do. Oh yeah, baby. Knock me down and call me Susan. Again, we have a high shutter speed. So maybe try to get one more. It's going for a verti shot. Oh yeah. Cool. I don't know. Pretty interesting. Another birdhouse up there. This is kind of a interesting little formation right here. Dropping all the way down here. Little things to explore here and there, right? Actually, coming up here, I don't know if pointing works yet. This is a very interesting looking tree. Got a little bit of character to it. Back up a bit. Very cool. My dream's kind of to be a birder one day. Just kind of look at the birds. The reason I'm doing this photography thing is to try to expand my content creation ability, and two, my photography ability. There's some cool little birds out here. Chickadee, where'd you go, dude? No, no. Oh, there he is. Okay, no, dude. These little guys, eh? They're so freaking speedy. Shows how much of a loser I am. I don't even have my continuous shooting on. Oh my gosh. Whatever. This is actually kind of cool. Let's back up a bit. Nice little bridge action going on. Sometimes coming out into nature is one of the neatest things there is to do. Oh, babysit me. This isn't a bad shot. Let's see how that turns out. Let's see this. It's kind of old, kind of rustic looking, if you will. Some cool little splits in the ice. Lock my focus in the middle here. I'm gonna up the aperture a little bit, increase my shutter speed. Yeah, just a interesting thing. I never know how it's gonna turn out till a bit afterwards anyways. Right here, come on. Lock in, baby. What the? Okay. What are you up to, little dude? Come on. What is he doing? Okay, try to get a little closer. No, he's not loving that. No, dude, seriously. Oh, there's more. They're all over. Oh, look at how dense this shrubbery is. I just can't. Oh, wait. Pop a squat on this bench here. Okay. Yeah. Oh, wait, lost a second. No. Come back. No, dude. Seriously, don't do this to me. No, you little schmink. Actually, I probably shouldn't talk about wildlife that way. Oh, whoa, wait. We're getting somewhere. Oh, okay, come on. I'm such a loser at this. That's okay. What if the real birds you photograph are the friends you make along the way? Oh, okay, there we go. Friends, maybe we did it. There he is. I don't know why it's doing what it's doing, but I don't love it. That's fine. What are you, little guy? Interesting. Well, at least I'm learning a lot out here. That's the thing. I wanted to do this to learn, so I guess I'm kind of accomplishing my goal. The heron was over there, but 95% sure. Missed my chance. Dang, that's overexposed. Like buns. I like the way the water and the ice kind of mix there. Let's try one more thing. Then I gotta go. I'm probably already gonna be late, but that's life. Justin arrives precisely when he means to, in the wise words of Gandalf the Grey. And precisely on time for me is usually approximately 10 minutes late. Wow, this is actually quite fun. I think the last time I went outside was probably like a month ago. Sometimes you just gotta spray and pray. This looks kind of interesting. We're gonna decrease the aperture, increase the shutter speed, lock her on full so we can actually focus on this, and see what we get. It's kind of interesting, you know? Let's pop her right in the middle. Yeah, that's good. Nice little session for the day. We've been out here a total of 37 minutes, and it's been a ton of fun. I got a meeting to go to for a potential job on the Sunshine Coast with photography and videography. But yeah, I want to try continuing this YouTube thing, seeing how everything works out. I want to try to make it a bit easier on myself with the types of content that I make, so that it's something that I actually enjoy doing and want to continue doing, so that I don't hate it after a couple weeks. So that's my plan. Oh, look at this guy. POV, boom. GoPro in the hand. These are yellow-breasted dink tits. I think. Not a bird guy, don't ask me. I learned a lot. I had a lot of fun. I finally got out and I actually did something. I'll count that as a major win. Thanks for watching. I hope you come back and join this journey with me. Peace.